This is the Redmi Watch 2. It's an amazing, beautiful, AMOLED screened Android smartwatch with the always-on display capability. You got notifications pushed from your phone, as you see in most watches, and you've got this little tab that gives you do not display, twist your wrist to see the time, alarms, a flashlight, vibration, even settings with all kinds of watch faces available, including some downloadable from the app. Brightness, do not display. You can have a pin on this watch, and in China you have NFC for payment capability as well. You've got Bluetooth display features that allow that always on display, or check this out, cover to sleep. Boom, and it's done. Really, really fun stuff. You can twist it, bring it back, double tap to wake, all those things we just took a look at, and more settings as well. You've got heart rate, constantly, continuous, high, low, and current. You've got blood oxygen, taking that reading regularly. You can individually measure it, and you can monitor it through the app as well as how well you're doing. This is a stress level assessment, and it's checking you constantly where 0 to 100% is your level of stress. You've also got last night's sleep information, and whatever workout you just did, tap here and it's going to begin. After it acquires GPS, which you can do super quickly in your area, you can hit go and start recording. You got a lot of different watch faces. It's really thin, amazingly thin for an AMOLED screen device with GPS on board, fully waterproof, lots of swimming activities, well over 100 different activities capable for it. It's called the Redmi Watch 2. Check it out.